Analyzing vast amounts of data, these systems can identify trends and make predictions that would be impossible for humans to achieve manually. Engineers can use machine learning to solve complex problems and make better decisions. This includes optimizing processes, improving efficiency, and even creating new products that better meet user needs.
Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive datasets and identify patterns. These patterns can reveal insights that drive innovation and lead to breakthroughs in various engineering projects. This ability is invaluable in various engineering domains. For instance, it can optimize designs, predict failures, and personalize user experiences. By leveraging machine learning, engineers can stay ahead of the curve and continuously improve their work, making it a must-have skill in today's tech-driven world.
Machine learning has countless applications in engineering. In civil engineering, it helps optimize structural design and predict traffic flow. Manufacturing uses machine learning for predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and costs.
In software engineering, machine learning powers recommendation systems and fraud detection algorithms. These examples demonstrate the transformative potential of machine learning across industries. Section 4. Take the leap. How engineers can learn machine learning. Learning machine learning might seem daunting, but is more accessible than ever. With the right resources and a structured approach, engineers can master this field. The journey begins with understanding the basics and gradually moving to more complex topics. Online courses like those offered by Coursera are a great starting point. These platforms offer a variety of courses tailored to different skill levels, from beginner to advanced. And edX provide comprehensive introductions. These courses often include hands-on projects, which are crucial for practical understanding. Start with the fundamentals, such as linear regression and decision trees. These are the building blocks of machine learning and will give you a solid foundation. Then, explore more advanced concepts like deep learning and reinforcement learning. These areas open up a world of possibilities and applications. Practice is key. Work on real-world projects to solidify your understanding. Collaborate with peers, participate in hackathons, and contribute to open-source projects. This hands-on experience is invaluable and will help you apply what you've learned in practical scenarios.
Section 5. Embrace the future of engineering. The future of engineering is intertwined with AI. By embracing machine learning, engineers can unlock unprecedented opportunities.
Upskill yourself, stay curious, and be a leader in the AI-driven world. Your ability to adapt and innovate will determine your success. Embrace the power of AI and shape the future of engineering.